Hello everyone, let's have a closer look at the new setting that Microsoft is adding to the Windows Update settings so you can pause updates for a very long time. So Microsoft is now testing a redesigned pause automatic updates experience on Windows 11, and this is happening in the latest preview of the operating system, more specifically on Windows 11 build 26300.8170, and basically it replaces the present pause for 1 week drop-down menu and replaces it with a dedicated calendar button that allows you to stop automatic updates for much longer. However, remember that this feature is still under development and it's not final. So right now in this particular installation, it only allows me to pause updates only for several days, but the final product will be different. So this change targets a long-standing friction point in the Windows update mechanism. The current system forces users into strict time blocks even when they only need a few extra days. The new approach shifts towards a precise scheduling, giving users more control and reducing the need to manually resume updates early. It also aligns with Microsoft's broader effort to make updates less disruptive. The company has been working toward a more predictable update cadence, including reducing unexpected interruptions and reducing the number of required restarts for most users. At the same time, several key questions remain unanswered. It is not yet clear how long users will be allowed to pause updates using the calendar interface. Microsoft has historically enforced limits tied to the support cycle of each release, so expected pauses may still be capped before a version reaches the end of support. There is also uncertainty around how the system will handle critical and security updates. The company may continue to override pause settings for high priority patches, especially those addressing active vulnerabilities. If that remains the case, the calendar tool will apply primarily to non-critical updates rather than serve as a full stop mechanism. Another concern is security exposed. Giving users more flexible to delayed updates could increase the window of vulnerability if devices remain unpatched for longer periods. How the software giant balances user control with system security will be a key factor in how the feature evolves. Alongside the interface change, the update experience is expected to become faster and more transparent. Improvements include clear progress indicators and stronger recovery mechanisms designed to prevent failed updates from leaving devices in an unusable state. Overall, the new calendar-based pause option points to a more user-controlled and predictable update model on Windows 11, while raising important questions about limits, enforcements, and the long-term security. And now you're all caught up. This is all you need to know right now about the new pause updates control that Microsoft is building on Windows 11. Let me know what you think about this change. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.